Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete mobile update or software update on your Android phone. So it's all about how you can prevent auto update and how you can stop the updates or how you can revert into basic version, not the latest update. So let's start by go to your Android settings. Here the first thing to do, you can try to scroll down and try to search software update or system update. Now you can tap it and tap a setting at the top of your screen, or three dot, two dots, or gear icon at the top of your screen on software update. Here there is one option that you can disable. This is the auto download the update. So please choose do not allow in order to prevent automatic download. And of course you can turn off auto update overnight if you have this option. So the software update setting is a promptly update your device with the latest features and security patches. No mobile data will be used, and this function is not available for major software updates, just some minor updates. But if you think there is a minor software update that not suit for you, you can try to disable auto download. And next, you can try to delete mobile update. So if you during installation new update or software update, you can try to hard reset, so the system will cancel installation of a new update. Next, you can tap application management and go to the app list. Here you can try tap three dot at the top of your screen or two dot and tap on show system. So as you can see, there is a system app now showing, and you can try to search the system launcher color OS. Here you can try to force stop, and also you can tap on storage and clear the data, clear the cache, so your system launcher will be referred into the basic one, not the latest one. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.